How do I fix my cell phone that keeps turning on and off or getting stuck on the logo? In this video tutorial, we'll explain step-by-step how to fix this problem where your phone turns on and off repeatedly and takes you back to the home screen. If this is your case, this video tutorial will explain step-by-step how to solve it. It's a process you don't need to take anywhere. What are we going to do? The first thing we need to know is that when this happens, we absolutely have to reset our phone. We have to format it. But before formatting it, I'm going to give you a function that also works without needing to reset it. We're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. We're going to press and hold the volume down button when it turns off, then hold the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears, it will automatically restart. When the Samsung logo appears, release the volume down button while continuing to hold the volume up button. But these functions aren't working anymore. So, to enter recovery mode, we're going to use another method. We'll use a USB-C cable with the same port. We'll plug it into another phone. And then we'll plug this one into the other phone to enter recovery mode. We'll do the same process, pressing the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously. When it restarts, release the volume down button while continuing to hold the volume up button. And now, when the Samsung logo appears, we release the volume down button. I mean, the power button. Let's press it. Let's see when the logo appears here. Now, immediately release the power button. Let's see if this lets us enter recovery mode. And as we can see, it did let us enter recovery mode. What are we going to do here? If you don't want to reset your phone, click here where it says Wipe Cache, press volume down, and then select Reset. If you see that it doesn't enter recovery mode, connect the USB-C cable to a TV, DVD player, or any device with a connection. If you have a PC, connect it to the PC. Now, if Wipe Cache doesn't work, click here where it says Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Doing this will automatically erase your phone's data. However, if your phone keeps turning on and off or gets stuck, you absolutely must do this. Then, select the first option to restart. Once your phone restarts, wait for it to take you directly to the home screen. If it doesn't, you need to flash the software. Once device is booting, let us know in the comments if our video tutorial worked for you. If it didn't, we'll need to flash the software. A solution ready.